Hi, my name is Jesse at Trash Panda, and I'm currently making a fully recycled disc. Now, if you've been following along in the series, you know that I'm currently in a waiting period to get the second mold. So while I wait, I figured I'd solve a problem I've been having that you might be having as well. Let me show you. I've been using this crate that I found on the side of the road to store all of my extra discs. The only problem, it's not made for discs. They can often slide around or even slip out because of the cracks in the seams. So what I want to do is take a pallet, which is something you can easily find in the trash, and make a new crate designed specifically for discs with certain functions in mind. So let's do this thing. The other day when I had this idea, I was actually out driving and I saw this huge dumpster with a pallet sticking out the top. So I went over and there was actually a dude next to it, and he was like, hey, if you're looking for a pallet, we have a ton inside that we're throwing away. You would actually help me out if you took some. So I grabbed 3 and brought them home. Now I do just want to be clear in saying pallets are recycled. So if you find one that's behind a store or something, don't take that. Take the ones that are actually in a dumpster that are being thrown away. That is actual trash. There were a few things I had in mind when I designed this crate. First, I wanted to design it so it could be made with minimal tools so that anyone could build it. Second, I wanted to make it easily transportable and stackable so that it could go in my car. And third, I wanted to make it so that the discs could either be slotted or stacked. If that doesn't make sense, it'll make sense later. There's a few ways to remove the boards from the pallets. You can use a circular saw, you can pry them all off, or you could even use a reciprocating saw and cut all of the nails that are holding them together. That being said, I don't need the full length of the boards, so I'm gonna do it the easy way and just use the circular saw. All the panels are glued up, dried, and ready to go. So a little bit of assembly and we should be done. All right, we're almost done. I am stoked with how this thing is looking. I'm gonna put some finish on it and then let it dry overnight, and we'll touch back in the morning. All right, I am absolutely stoked with how this thing came out. It holds 35 discs slotted and 26 discs stacked on top of each other. So if you're worried about warpage and you don't have 35 discs, you can stack them. I called a little bit of an audible in the middle of building this thing to make the handles on the side a little bit higher than the rest of the slats. I think aesthetically it looks really cool, but it also provides a great functionality as well. And to think, this was literally gonna be in a landfill. It was trash, and now it's looking so good. Thanks so much for joining me in this, and if you build your own, please let me know. I'd love to see it. Also, if you enjoy videos like this, I'd love to hear that in the comments below. Please subscribe to support the channel, and we'll see you next time.